Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Scubapro Definition 3mm Men's full-length suit. So this, as the name obviously suggests, is a 3mm suit. So it's great for sort of warmer temperatures if you're traveling to the tropics or whatnot in the winter time. If you want some protection from a little bit of cold, just take the edge off. But it's also going to protect you from bumps and scrapes, protect you from the sun, a lot of marine sort of scratches and bites and things. It's a good suit. So the neoprene itself is made out of X-Foam Neoprene, and the glue is a water-based glue as well, so it's very environmentally friendly. You have very little, this goes through a lot of testing, PAH testing, so there's like no petroleum-based sort of elements to it, which makes it hypoallergenic, so it's much more comfortable. If you've got sensitive skin, it's going to be a real sort of comfortable suit. So taking a closer look, starting up around the neck you have glide skin seal inside there. So that's very effective at sort of sticking against your skin, stops water, slows it from getting into the suit. So you'll get that kind of cold trickle when you very first jump in, but then when it's wet, it's going to seal against your neck and really slow it down so it's not flushing in and flushing out of the suit. What's going to help that is you have a gusseted zip down at the front. So if you don't like it too tight around your neck, you can unzip that. This is glide skin again on the inside, but then to create a more effective seal, you can zip it up and that sort of tightens it around your neck. So moving down the suit around the shoulders, we have some little detailing up here. This is a bit more abrasion resistant, so for your BCD straps, that's going to protect the suit and stop that from rubbing. Blind stitch throughout, so that doesn't go all the way through the neoprene, it kind of goes halfway and loops back on itself. So that means that water can't transition all the way through that seam, so again slowing the water from getting into the suit. You'll notice big open panels with kind of minimal stitching throughout the suit, which means that it's nice and flexible. Making it easier to get into the suit means it kind of, it's more tailored so it sticks to your body, so there's less open sort of pools of water collecting in the suit, so that's going to keep you nice and warm and also mean that you can move around in the suit. Now this detailing continues down onto the elbows, so again a bit of abrasion resistance on your elbows. And just below that on the wrist you have their eye-safe loops. So this is for your watch or your dive computer. You can thread the strap through that, and that means that your dive computer, one, it can't fall off your wrist, and two, it's not going to be rolling around too much or sliding up or sliding down your wrist. It holds it exactly where you want it. You have two YKK metal zippers on your sleeves. So again, gusseted, so that makes it easier to get your hands in and out. If you're wearing gloves as well, you can layer up and then you create a more effective seal. There's no glide skin or anything on this, it's just traditional lining on the inside. Moving down the suit up to the onto the knee pads, we have again that detailing protecting the knee pads from the usual wear and tear, and at the bottom of the ankles you have those same YKK zippers that you do on the wrists, on the cuffs. So yeah, for your boots it gets a lot easier to get your foot all the way through that, zip it up and you can layer it up over or underneath your boots, whichever you prefer. So turning the suit around, we have Velcro neck closure. So that is this modern Velcro that isn't sort of scratchy. It doesn't grab onto everything. It's that kind of soft Velcro. And that's how you're going to adjust exactly how tight that neck seal is, as well as that gusset zip down at the front. Underneath that, we have a YKK metal zipper with a really long leash so you can get in and out of the suit all by yourself. And that's held up by this little section of Velcro. So when that's in position, it won't undo. So you do that sort of when you first get kitted up, and then that's not going to undo during the middle of the dive. Undo that and you'll see that the zipper is offset, so it goes down towards your left hand kidney, so that way the zipper isn't all the way down your spine, and that's where your cylinder is going to be sort of pressing against, so it's not going to get uncomfortable, it's offset, it's easy to get in and out of, and it's not going to apply too much pressure down your spine. Underneath that zipper, we have this not Velcro, neoprene. This is a flush guard. So that just sits underneath the zipper, and just again, it means that the water can't go straight through it and get to you. It has to slow down, it has to warm up before it actually gets to you. And then on the inside of the suit, it's just a very simple traditional lining, nice and flexible, but nothing too flash on the inside. Getting back into it, nice and easy. Do that little section of Velcro up again, and then that one around your neck, and you're back into the suit. So a bit more abrasion protection on the seat. Again, if you're sort of sat down on ribs, it's or sort of wooden benches or something, it's not going to damage the suit. All in all, it's a very nice kind of summer suit. You can layer it up, you can put shorties over the top or underneath it. 3mm is that kind of tropical kind of thickness where you don't want too much sort of a big sort of heavy suit, not too much buoyancy neither, but it's going to protect you from the chill, it's going to protect you from the sun, as well as a lot of bumps and scrapes. So this is the Scubapro Definition 3mm Wetsuit. Thanks for watching and safe diving. We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.